Hey guys, it's Ryan, and I got this in the mail today. What is it? I'll give you a little hint. It's the smallest laptop computer that Apple ever made. So we're gonna take a look at it right now. We're gonna unbox it and have a little look-see. Let's do it. Okay, so I bought this thing on eBay. This is actually an eBay purchase that I've wanted to do for a long time. And yes, it has to do with Apple. And it's a computer I actually had for a short amount of time, but I ended up having to get back. It is a refurbed or rebuilt model, but I got it just because it's so dang small. So there's the power cable. So you know it is an Apple product there. It's very used. You can tell by the way that looks. It's pretty gnarly. Let's see how good they've actually packaged this thing. Nope, just a lot of bubble wrap. 1, 2, and some pink bubble wrap. Nice. That's some paper that you probably shouldn't see. Okay. Some of you guys probably already know what it is, but that's what it is. 11-inch MacBook Air, early 2015. This is the last year they made it before they went to the 12-inch MacBook, and I believe discontinued these completely. But the reason why I wanted to wait till I had the money to buy one of these, and they're really cool, is because I wanted it maxed out. This is in that same vein of you get what you want now because you can't upgrade anything, which is how the norm is now with Apple computers. So let's, these are just the specs that they conveniently put out here for us. 11.6 inch, 2.2 gigahertz Core i7. It's a dual core. It's all right. 8 gigs of RAM, which is max in these things. They don't do any more than that. 512 gigs on the SSD, which I think is also the max. I never saw anything higher than that. On my MacBook Pro, 16 gigs of RAM. I think at the time I bought my 2012, it was 756 or something like that total on the SSD. So this guy, let's see what he looks like and see if there's any cosmetic stuff. Oh, look how small he is. He's just so little. It's a little guy. I got few scrapes there. Like I said, this is a used unit. Looks like it was probably part of some sort of enterprise thing if they had this on it, but that's okay. The feet are intact. I've seen some that have just been hashed. So this is actually not bad. We got a little bit of looks like a little bit of a scratch, right? A little bump there on the edge. And just some scratches there. A couple little things here. Not much a skin couldn't take care of, honestly. I mean, that's pretty much all you have to do with these is skin them. So I'll probably end up skinning this thing. Let's take a look on the inside here. See, that's not bad. They've wiped off the screen a little too quick. We got some gunk here. Looks like maybe there was a screen protector, or you know, one of those privacy screens on here that they couldn't get the gunk off. We'll clean it up. Small trackpad, but I like this vintage trackpad. This is one of those trackpads that just feel good. Still clicks. Still got the good keyboard. The difference between this and like the 13-inch was that these arrow keys down here and the top row here they're just smaller. So that is pretty cool. We got a little bit of a ding right there too. And this has some good I/O. The reason why I really like this one is because it can take, it's the i7, right? So it's a decent processor. It's a mobile processor, but it's still pretty decent. But I once, through this little port right here on the side, Thunderbolt 2 on this guy, I once recorded a high-resolution full symphony and choir. We're talking almost 100 audio inputs, which is a lot, running at 96 kilohertz. If you know about audio, you know that's pretty high. 24-bit, 96, actually I think I was doing 32-bit, 96K through there into this little guy. Not this particular one, not this exact one, but one just like it. So it's for those kind of things, and the weight, and just throwing it in your bag and going, it's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna like it. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna use it for other than travel, but we'll take a look at it a little later. I'm gonna use it for a little bit, and then we'll do kind of a review and see how it actually functions in 2020. Yes, it's 2020. That's pretty nuts to be using one of these in 2020. Yeah, the screen sucks. I know the screen sucks. That's not the selling point. That's not why I'm getting it. I'm not doing video editing. I'm not doing photo editing. I'm not doing any coloring in like DaVinci or anything like that. So this should be good for what I need. And you plug that in and you can go to an external display. So not a huge deal. So that is the 11-inch MacBook Air 2015. It came out, I want to say 2012, something like that. Yeah. So guys, that is the 2015, the last year they made the 11-inch MacBook Air. Maxed out specs on this guy. Cost me about $500, which is actually, it's a lot. I mean, that's not chump change, but for a functional laptop that will last me a long time, that's not bad. So I'm happy with it so far. We'll bust it open, we'll do some tests on it, and then we will come back and do a full review on it. Okay, so that was just a quick unboxing of the 2015 MacBook Air 11-inch. If you guys like this, subscribe, share, do everything you can to know when we're uploading videos, get the bell on, and we will see you guys in the next video.